Hi everyone, welcome back to Italian Culinary Academy, where we turn Italian traditions into mouth-watering experiences. Today we are diving into one of Italy's sweetest holiday treasures, the legendary panettone. Look at this beauty, soft, fluffy, and practically beginning to be dusted with a snowstorm of sugar. Now panettone comes in all shapes and sizes, from mini bites, perfect for secret snacking, to massive towering loaves that scream. I'm here to impress your relatives. With the size, we've got a little trick to turn this into a snowy showpiece. First, we carefully place our panettone inside this bag. No, it's not for its lunch break. Add a generous scoop of powdered sugar, seal it up tight, and now shake, 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 shake. This is the part where you feel like a panettone DJ. Shake it until it looks like the Alps had a party on your dessert. Ta-da! We've turned our humble panettone into a winter wonderland masterpiece. But what is this majestic dessert really? Where did it come from? Hold tight. It's time for a bite-sized history lesson, or a panettone-sized one. Panettone's origins trace back to Milan. Legend has it a baker named Tony had to whip up an emergency dessert when the Duke banquet threatened to flop. He threw in butter, eggs, sugar, candied fruit, and raisins into a dough. Boom! The guests couldn't get enough, and Panettone was born. Fast forward a few centuries and it's Italy's go-to treat for Christmas and New Year. Set traditionally as a dessert or sweet breakfast, panettone is perfect paired with a cup of espresso or a cheeky glass of prosecco. If you are feeling fancy, Italians often gathered around, tearing pieces apart and sharing it with loved ones. Because nothing says Buon Natale like sharing bread that's fluffier than a cut in a Dolce Gabbana. Hehe. It's sweet, citrusy, and has that hint of holiday magic in every bite. So, whether you are celebrating with a classic or trying your hand at sugar shaking antiques, make sure you savor every fluffy morsel. Thanks for joining me on this panettone adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs more sugar and history in their life. Until next time, keep it sweet, keep it Italian, and keep shaking the bag. Ciao!